Welcome to this meditation. Go ahead and find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting with your feet grounded on the earth or lying down, allowing your weight to fall into the ground beneath you. Allow yourself to arrive here in the present moment. Begin by taking a nice, deep, slow breath in through your nose and a gentle breath out through your mouth, letting go. Another deep breath in, this time really filling up the diaphragm and your lungs all the way to the top. And exhale out the mouth, really letting all the air out. Bringing your awareness now your face. Allow your forehead to completely relax. Perhaps you need to unclench your jaw and allow it to soften. Moving into your shoulders, letting them drop down. Noticing your diaphragm and seeing if you can find any room there to relax. Loneliness is not just a feeling in your mind, it's a feeling in your entire body. Sense of being separate or unseen or far away from life. Notice where that feeling sits for you. Maybe it's in your chest. Maybe it's in your throat. Maybe it feels like a heaviness or a tightness or an emptiness. Whatever you notice is okay. We are not here to meet it with judgment. We are simply making room to notice. Take another deep, slow breath in and just let your exhale fall naturally, completely relaxing all corners of your body. Gently place one hand over your heart and feel the warmth of your hand and the rise of your chest beneath it. This moment is connection with yourself. A reminder that you are here. You are not alone. Gently bring your attention to the steadiness around you. It may be your breath or the ground beneath you, the weight of your body being supported. let this awareness anchor you into this moment now. Loneliness often grows when life is moving too fast, when we rely on screens instead of people, when comfort replaces connection. But in this moment, you are slowing down enough to reconnect with yourself. You are showing up for you. Take a slower breath in this time. And as you exhale, feeling yourself dropping down even more. Your hand on your heart reminds your entire system that someone is here. You are here. If thoughts come up, or if your mind begins to wander, maybe an emotion rises, simply let it. You do not need to push anything away. You are just going to sit with yourself and stay with yourself. Gently begin to sense the space around you. You are part of a moving world that revolves around you. There are people who care for you. There are connections you have had and will have again. You are not as separate as the mind sometimes makes it seem. Remember that you are always here for you. Make space for you. Taking in one slow breath, allowing that breath really to soften any feelings in your chest, letting it create the smallest bit of space inside you, a space for connection, a space for softness, space for you. Whatever eased inside you, ever so slightly, is enough. You showed up for you, and that is connection too. So when you're ready, gently release your hand. You might want to wiggle your fingers and your toes. And blink your eyes open gently. Let's take one more inhale in together. And on your exhale out your mouth, letting go and moving into this day with a sense of connection. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up.